This is a PowerPoint about birds because it's 3 a.m. and I don't want to sleep. Birds. These are some ducks. Ducks are pretty birds. As you can see here, they are in the water, just chillin', 'cause that's what ducks do. Geese. Geese are interesting. Wow, look at those geese in a field. And look at the babies. Wow, that's pretty cool. Here's some grackles. Grackles sound funny. It's very interesting listening to their things because it's funny. And they also like to look to the right. Here's seagulls. Seagulls are these things. This one looks like it's having a problem. Hopefully someone helped it, or another seagull did. These guys look like they're trying to eat someone, but that's okay, because that's what seagulls do. Ravens. Ah, ravens seem pretty cool. Ah, look at that one flying. That's like what birds do. Pheasants. Wow, pheasant. How pleasant. Look at them. Just standing there, walking there, and flying over there. It's pretty rad. Crane. Cranes are birds. Ain't that cool? Look at them. They're just being birds. Ostrich. Bird. Emu. Yes. Peacock. Wow. Them birds look cool. But I mean, like, look at them. They're pretty interesting. Chicken. I kind of like chickens. They are pretty rad. I actually more than like them. They're like really cool. Just like look at them. Look at their faces. They're epic. Turkey. These are turkey pictures. If you didn't notice. Pigeon. Bird noises. Because they make bird noises. Because that's what pigeons do. Dove. Yeah, doves are birds too. Cardinals. Yeah, look at these cardinals. They're pretty nice. They all are in almost the exact same position. That's kind of weird, but I respect them for that. Maybe it's tradition to always be in that picture every time there's a camera facing them. Here's some finches. There are many types of finches, but here's 4 finches. Hummingbird. Look at them. They're just there, being hummingbirds. Crow. They're interesting. Woodpeckers. Did you know that woodpeckers peck on wood? Well, I would certainly hope you did know that. Eagle. Nice. Rest in peace, Billy. I will never forget you. Billy was a lovely duck. I visited her at the pond every morning. It was very unfortunate that she had to die. She might be gone from this world, but she will never leave my heart.